the detailing of our waste all the way to the septic. So yeah, that's what where we left off last time. Now what I want us to create the roof plan of this. So in order to come up with the roof plan, what you need to do, I'll go back to this navigator and I'll go back to project map. Once I'm at project map, you have this worksheet. Just select that worksheet, left click it, and then you right click again, and then I have the new independent worksheet. So we want to create a new independent worksheet, basically just for the roof, and I'm just going to refer to it as the name of it can have the roof plan. Reference to ID 01. Okay, then you just create. So this is our reference ID roof plan. As you can see, it's very blank. So we'll go back to the ground floor, and the next thing that I want us to do, we'll go back to the design and then select the roof tool and then press Ctrl All so that you are able to highlight all the roof. Then right click and just copy. So once you have copied the roof, you go back to this worksheet that you have created, termed as the roof plan. Then you right click and just paste the roof. So yeah, that's into the current view. So basically this is our roof plan, the roof plan of our house. So basically that's that. And then the next thing you need to do is to save this roof plan. This is save as view. You can reference ID 01, name roof plan, and then but before I go ahead further, I need to do some dimensioning of this roof plan. So I'll go back to the document tool, use the dimension tool, and then just try to add on some dimension to this roof plan. That's okay. Yeah, just try to do some dimensioning of this roof plan. Press OK. Even for sections like this one, you need to add on some details of its dimension. So that's what I'm trying to do. We also have this other dimension over here. Can have it as that. We also have can also do this dimension of this, dimensioning of this other side. Just want to add on some typical dimension. This like that. To do of this one on this other side. Then okay, just like that. Just trying to show the typical dimensioning of this. Just like that. You can also decide to do dimension of this one. So that one. Just press OK. Also can do some arrows here. And maybe we can do this. Okay. But can even use the arrow tool over here, and then use an arrow at the end, so that you can just show that this is how this roof is going to slope. That's just basically the fall on this side. Just other side is also a fall. So this side is also a fall. Basically that's what you're trying to indicate. And that one, even on this gable, this is a fall. So you can have such. Wait for this one on this other side is also a fall. It's just something like that. This one on this other side is also a fall. Just go ahead and go to the document tool. Just write there for the fall in small letters even, and just need to drag multiple copies of this one just to indicate that this is a fall. Move, you right click, you go to move, drag the multiple copies, can indicate that as that right over there, fall, place one over there, 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 yeah, place one over there, even like that. So that's what we have. You can decide to alter maybe the size of this arrow to something like that. So you have something like that. So this basically, I will say this basically our roof plan. So I'll just go to right click and then save as view. Yeah, so just create. So that's our roof plan. We already created that worksheet. So you go back to our A1 paper size, you right click and then place drawing. Once you've done that, you come to now the roof plan, this one, just place. Okay, so this one appears to be blank. Let me see, go back to the navigator and then you can just drag it from this. Let's see if you can be able to drag it. Okay, let me just let's see. Just right click and place drawing, and then we should be where we have the worksheet. So roof plan, and then yes. So yeah, this is our roof plan right over here. Just need to resize it. Then that's Control D. Right over there, you can go to Control T and where it says an appearance, and then just use the custom one that we had, and then 1:75, 1:75, then okay, just okay. So that's what we have over there. We can go ahead and yeah, we can go ahead and just resize this. Bring this boundaries close to this one so that you can be able to close it well, and that it doesn't encroach the other part of this. So Control D, drag it a little bit down here, and then Control T so that you can set its title. We are using a text 46. Yeah, 46 size we are using, font 5, font size of 5, and from the drawing title, and also the distance of 5, then just okay. So basically that's what we have. We have our roof plan, we have our section over there. So I just need to do the septic tank detailing over here, and the site plan also down here. So that's what is remaining. So let me come up with the site plan first. I can even place a site plan right over here and then stack down here. Either. So I'll go back to the ground floor. If I want to come up with the site plan, typical site plan, I'm going to select all the walls. So in order for you to come up with the site plan, you should have visited the site, see the accessibility of the site, where it's located. So in order to come up with the site plan, you should look at the roads nearest to the plan, maybe the institutions that are close to the plan, maybe it's near a school that's well known. So basically for site plan, I'm going to go back to the navigator tool, create a new worksheet, right click, create new independent worksheet, and this time round I'm going to refer to it as the site plan. As the site plan, and that is grabs. So this is the site plan. Just create. So it's blank as usual. So what I need to do, I should go ahead and select all my walls. So activate the all tool, control all, and then just copy, and then come to the site plan and just paste. Just paste. So here this is the site plan. Now the next thing that I need to do with the site plan, I just need to rescale it. I can decide to use 1:500 so that I can reduce it in terms of size. So but first of all, let me just undo that. Back to ground floor, then copy, and come to the site plan, and then paste, and then first I have to click outside there, and then once you're done, so just come rescale this to 1:500. I think 1:500, that's the trick. And then come to document, then you have the line tool, and then the line tool, assuming that you have maybe, let me take a box over here. Let me assume that this is my site. Just and so then the next thing I can do, just go ahead and do control. Can just offset this. Let me just offset this, and then choose the magic wand. I can just offset it to a distance of maybe 4,500, like that. So this one should change also at end. We have none, so you can just decide to do something like this. And then maybe this one, you can use the fill tool, just suspend groups, and then fill it at a distance of, with the fillet tool, and just use at a distance of 1000. Let me use a distance like maybe 2000. Fill tool, and then distance of maybe 2000, and then okay, something like that. Similarly to this one, just use the fillet tool, and then so this basically more or less like my site plan. Just need to go ahead and include the text over here, and maybe use a different font, maybe 3. And just go ahead and say this is an access road. this also maybe as the access road. Just need to rotate it. Right click, go to rotate. So in order to rotate, I'll just go ahead, create a straight line, and then just rotate. And then Control D, and then just go ahead and place it right over there. So that's the access road over there. I decide to drag this again to this point over there. So just arbitrarily, I'm just assuming that maybe this is my site plan. You know, it's just a basic assumption. This is where my plan will be. You know, so and then the next thing I can do, I can now save this. Can go ahead and say save view as, and then create site plans, and just create. So you can go to A1 now, and then just right click and then press drawing, and then go to our site plan right over here and just place it right over there. So this is our site plan. I can decide to resize this, and this is a scale of size and appearance instead of 1:500. I can decide to use maybe 1:200. Let me work with 1:200. And then just press Control D and then have it right over there. So the next thing I need to do, just need to add on the septic tank detailing somewhere over here, then the general note somewhere over there. I just need to create room for the septic tank detailing and have that over there. Just drag this, Control D. Control T. I need to do something with the titles of this. So 46, it's like we did earlier, and then front 5 for the drawing title, and something like that. Yeah, something of that sort. This one, try to check this down here. So that can be able to learn them at least. So just need to add on the septic tank detailing right over here. So right now I want to go ahead and do the septic tank detailing. For the septic tank detailing, I'm just going to drag off some septic tank details from a previous plan that I worked on. I'll just come to this plan of mine that I worked on, and I'll select this pit tank and septic tank detailing, and then copy. And then I just go back to my plan. Just let me just paste them somewhere like here. Let me just paste them. I can just somewhere like that. Then I can just be able to drag them. Control D. Drag this one up. Control D. So I'll just go ahead and drag. So this septic tank detailing, so basically we have the plan of the septic, we have the section of this plan for the septic, we also have the cockpit, its plan and its section, and we have two sections for the cockpit. So that's what we have right over there. I'm still just trying to see I can be able to work with this. So Control D. Let me just escape first and drop this right over here, up here, somewhere like that, and then I can go ahead and see if I can fit in this septic tank detailing, this plan. So that one over there. Control D right over there. So this one, Control D, just drag it right over there. So this one, Control D, just drag it right over there. Then this one, Control D, right over there. Something like that. Control D. Just need to make sure that the details are well detailed. So from there, I just need to go ahead and include this table over here. This table of mine right over here. So for this one, I'll just go ahead. I can do Control T. Then in terms of size and appearance, I can decide to use something like 1:100 on it. Okay. But you have it smaller in size, and then Control D. And just move. I just need to rotate it right over there. In fact, I should just drag this back to where it was. Control T right over there. And we have this septic tank detailing. Control D, this one just coming right there. So that's that. That's our septic tank detailing. So far we have the plan, the roof plan, the elevations, the section. Let me just do another general notes over here. For this general notes, I'll still go ahead and drag off from some older plans that I've done. So I just need to be able to get rid of this. Let's see. Get rid of all of this. Just delete all of this. Once I've deleted that, I'll just go back to my. Okay, once I've deleted that, I'll just go back to my previous drawing. This one over here, and pick all these notes from here. I'll just go ahead, use the arrow tool, and then from this very edge, I'm trying to get to the edge of this. Now from that edge, all the way down here. Just right click and press copy, and then go back to my plan. And just do this and just paste. So There we have it, folks. The only thing that I need to do is just some editing of this. So these are the general notes. All the plumbing and stuff. So for the project name, you can just go ahead and say it's just a proposed 3-bedroom house plan. Caps. Let's say it's proposed 3-bedroom house plan. So since at the moment I don't have a client, I will have come up with a name for the client and such, like proposed 3-bedroom for Mr. So-and-so. So for the client, still you need to add on his address. At the moment you don't have a client's address, so you leave it at that. Drawn status, yeah, you can leave it at that. Drawn by someone who drawn it, and maybe try to edit this date. Today's date 2nd 2023, so drew this in 2023, second month of 2023, today being date 5, and so can even go ahead and add on my phone detailing. You can reach me on this number 0768 388 026. So right over there. The send is related. So 0768 026. So something like that. The drawing scale, of course, we have used different drawing scale. We have the 1:1 is to 175. Basically, I think basically that's what I've used mostly. 1:175, and 1:200. So for the drawing scales, I also need to edit this. So that I've used the drawing scale. I've used a drawing scale of 1:75, and also I've used another drawing scale of 1:200 somewhere on the side plan. So should it include both the scales right over there. Then just Control D right over there. And yeah, that's it, guys. I think with now I've covered almost everything on how you can be able to produce a plan. Yeah, I should do also a video on editing these elevations. Let me see the time of the video covered. Okay, let me just do a final on editing the elevations. So in order to edit this elevation, just go back to the ground floor. Select maybe this elevation, press Ctrl. Just right click, open with current view settings. When you come to this elevation, basically what you need to do, you right click, you go to elevation settings, and then you can go to general. Instead of auto build, you can have drawing. Yeah, and then press OK. And then just select the walls over here and start begin with the walls. And as you recall what we did in the section, we were using 1 and 61, but we should have selected running bond for all. So that's what we have over there. You should also have this one for the roofing. So when this part is being excluded right over there, and then on this side we are using, just like we did in the section, we are using roofing 1, and then now we can use a different color for this. I think it is white, or maybe you can use a different color. Yeah, let me just use something blackish on it, but not a black one. Use that black, or for this one I should use just black. This one, something like that. Maybe let me use red for this one. Yeah, maybe come up with something like that. That's the east elevation. We just go to the other elevations and do just a replica of the same. So escape. You can go to the east elevation, select shift, and then open with current view settings. So I was using red, okay. And then right click, elevation settings, and then general, to rebuild, you go to drawing, you press OK, and then you just select your walls first, all the walls without excluding any part. Even this one, and this one, all of this. And then just go ahead and use running board, and then we use black and 61, and 61, so you have something like that. And then for this one, you can do this, like that. Just select all the planes of this roof. Rather than doing that, maybe just suspend the screws. Okay, let me just select all of them. It's typically they call all the planes in this elevation of this roof, all the planes. I need to do all the planes. So typically all the planes. Rotation access, edit the groups. Because I don't want it highlighting the visual board. Let me just escape first. Suspend all the groups so that I don't want it to be selecting the visual board. So because I'm not editing the visual board. Yeah, I know producing a plan does take time, but the beauty of all of this is that you're able to create something that is appealing to the eye, you know, something that when you present it to a client, yeah, he or she is pleased with your work, and he or she is able to trust you in maybe even implementation of the plan. So we just go back to this one. We are using number 1, then we used black on this one, then this one we used red. So typical something like that. And then you can go back to the ground floor, and edit the north elevation now. Open with current view settings. So selecting all the ones. So from there I just go to completely forgetting to go to elevation settings, general, auto review and drawing. Okay. Then hold on to the shift tab, just go to this one, select, and then select, and then instead of pressing space to go back to roof 1, and then can use we used red for the first one. This one we used black, and then this one we used 61. But now we are not using roofing tiles, but these are the stonework. I'm using running board. I'm trying to be very quick because I don't want this video to take long, because I know watching a very long video at times may be tiresome. So that's why I'm trying to hurry, because I don't want this video to take a lot of time. So for this one roofing, you go now to roofing, and we are using red and black. Actually we used black one, so that's what we have for that one. You can now go to the final elevation, which is the south elevation. Open its current view settings. Okay, let me first escape, shift, open its current view settings, south elevation, and then just highlight it with this. Let's say to design, and then just press Ctrl all apart from this of the chimney. So what I've done, I've just gone to the wall tool, pressed Ctrl all apart from this one of the chimney, and then also this one up here, because on the gable we just going to use the running board down here. Just go to first of all, go first to elevation settings, general, auto build, change it to drawing because we're just doing it manually, and then since we've gone now manually, we are unable to select all at once, so we can just do it manually now. So just select that one. I really wanted to avoid this because of the different planes that are here for this curved wall, but I guess I have no choice than to select all. So like that. Though okay, I can just put it like that. Like that, then like that, and then just go to running board, and then we are using black and 61, so that's something like that, and then this one, we'll go ahead and use this one. So this one I'm selecting the roof planes, Yeah, I know it's really taking time selecting all these planes, but just bear with me as I conclude. Just have to make sure that I'm able to select all these planes without leaving any plane. So I think that's it. I've selected almost all the planes. So once you've done that, now you'll go back to we were using 01. We were using 01, and then go ahead and just use red and then black for this one. So that's what we had initially. And yeah, you can now go back to A1 and wait for it to update. So let's give it time as it's updating. Yeah, actually, depending on the type of machine that you're using, I really recommend if you're using ARCHICAD to have a machine that has an 8 GB RAM, so that when doing this command on ARCHICAD, your software is able to process them very quick. So for this one, that's the end of this. I've been able to do almost everything. So yeah, I'll just save it now. Just go to save, file, save as. I'll save it from this folder. Yeah, it's a PDF form. You can come here to page options and yeah, okay, document options, want it to be colored, okay, and then just save. Yeah, so I've already saved it. You can just go ahead so that I can go ahead and pick it. So it's somewhere right over here. So I've saved it from this folder. So yeah, this is my plan. So yeah, there we have it, guys. That's our plan. You can see the elevations, the roof plan. So right now it's ready to go ahead and be printed. So thank you guys for watching. I've come to the end of this series. It's close to I think it's a 10 series video. Yeah, I think it is a 10 series video. So thank you for watching. I think next time I'll try to do the 3D part of this, where we'll go ahead and look at how we can do the rendering of this house, the different type of softwares maybe that we can use, maybe Twinmotion or Lumion. But that's it, guys. Thank you for working with me all this way. I know watching all these videos to the end isn't that easy, and it takes a lot of time, just like it takes a lot of time creating them, and it's quite tiring. So thank you guys for watching.